share, subscribe, and let's crush it.
Welcome back, guys. This routine today, 11 exercise, 45 seconds on, 10 seconds off. First exercise is down and out. Lie flat, lift legs, drop them down, then open wide and repeat, keeping your lower back pressed into the mat.
Who you think you waiting on? I take you to the early morn. Just when you're waking up, you feel like you're falling off of a cliff so high. Then you hit the bed just right, staying up through these nights. It's alright. And every single time I call you, you know I got something for you. How could I ever ignore you? I WhatsApp like it's on you. And you know I'ma get there soon. You know I'ma get there soon. Baby, what's your mood? Tell me what's your mood. It's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through, yeah.
Exercise 2, reverse crunch. Lie back and use your core to lift legs overhead, then lower them slowly.
Okay, you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can walk. You make it so we can talk. Okay, you're drunk on me, yeah. I said you're drunk on me, yeah. Ooh, wait up, am I wasting time? I gotta hurry up and ride. I cut through the traffic lights just to get a piece of pie. I wanna bump and grind and move with baseline. And if you say it's fine, it's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through, yeah. It's tonight, when the moon's right.
Exercise 3, windshield wiper. With legs lifted and the hands out of the sides, swing legs side to side without touching the floor.
You make it so we can talk. You're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah.
Exercise 4, cross-body mountain climber. From high plank, drive each knee towards the opposite elbow in a controlled motion. Exercise 5, seated leg cycles. Sit leaning back, lift legs and pedal in circles to target lower abs. Exercise 6, plank jacks. In a high plank, jump feet wide and back together, bracing your core. For low impact, use one leg at a time. One leg side, center, the other leg side, center.
see this battle in a man. A fight to the finish, we can war it to the end if you like. Cause you and them see that time's not a thing here when you've been blessed and born to the life. See me, I got a sample of the plan on a 4K image. You can see me spitting bars on the mic. I always go hard, so you better go home. Cause I heard you saying that I'm wrong when I'm right. See the flash of the light, see the ding of the bell, for the bright from the gun and I'm gone. You best believe that I know where I'm from. See the man, them already know that it's on. We all know the hard work pays off. Everybody stays on. No one on my team is ever thinking of the days off. I do it when God willing. Furthermore, I want the whole team chilling. It's a graph that they don't see. I know that I won't be here to be sad at the end. That we can do it for real right here.
Exercise 7 is in and out variation. Sit back, extend the legs out around an object like a bottle, then draw them back in a while, keeping form.
Ready to go the way that I know you don't know me. I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'm a win. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go the way that I know you don't know me. I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. Let's begin. I said I got the move rattling, now I'm ready for battling. You wanna just tell me I'm not, but I'm having it. But I'm staying on side with the ball. Now I'm traveling, gets weak at the knees and the seas. So I'm flattening him, getting boxed in the face and the moves and I'm jabbing him. Toe to toe, we can go, cause it's happening. We can go to the floor in the war, I'll be grappling. I know what the gamble is, believe I'ma handle this. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go the way that I know you don't know me. I'm the winner, expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'll be
Exercise 8 is reverse crunch leg extension. Lift hips into a reverse crunch, then extend legs out without letting heels touch down.
when I'm ill. I've grafted, I've signed on, been laid off, been kept on, done cleaning, built vans, and I come on my night with paint on my hands. Had no funds, had no phone, had bare stress, been so low. I've chased claims, been so mad, got so deep, been so sad. I've fixed up, I've hit back, I've picked up. I'm so glad I work hard, I stay strong, and I do it again in a heartbeat. And it's nothing to do with luck, so don't give up. Sit on the stage, ready to go the way that I know you don't know me. I'm the winner, expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'll be sit on the stage, ready to go the way that I know you don't know me. I'm the winner, expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner.
Exercise 9 is plank hops. From hip plank, hop feet in and out while keeping abs fully engaged. For low impact use, please one leg at a time. Exercise 10, bicycle crunch variation. Perform a bicycle crunch, then tap each hand to the opposite foot between reps. Exercise 11, flutter kick variation. Lie back, flutter legs up and down while lifting your chest to protect your lower back. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you to the next video.